Welcome to an important discussion about health. In an age overflowing with information, it's easy to get lost in a sea of advice, much of which is simply not true. Our goal today is to cut through the noise and address some of the most widespread health myths. We aim to provide clarity and guide you toward a more accurate understanding of what truly supports your well-being. By debunking these common misconceptions, we hope to empower you with knowledge that can genuinely improve your health journey. Let's begin by separating fact from fiction. One of the most persistent myths in fitness is the idea of spot-reducing fat. Many believe that performing specific exercises, like endless crunches, can melt away fat from a particular body area, such as the belly. This belief suggests you can target fat loss precisely where you want it. However, the truth is that fat loss occurs systemically across your entire body. When your body burns fat for energy, it draws from fat stores throughout your system, not just from the muscles you are currently exercising. You cannot choose where your body loses fat first. While exercise is crucial, its role in fat loss is more about overall energy expenditure and muscle building. Engaging in physical activity helps create a calorie deficit, which is essential for fat reduction. It also builds muscle, which boosts your metabolism and helps burn more calories at rest. For effective fat loss, focus on a balanced approach. Combine a nutritious, calorie-controlled diet with a comprehensive exercise routine that includes both cardiovascular activity and strength training. This holistic strategy will yield far better results than trying to isolate fat loss to one area. Another common misconception is that all calories are the same, regardless of their source. This myth suggests that as long as you stay within a certain calorie limit, the nutritional quality of your food doesn't matter. It implies that 100 calories from a sugary drink have the same impact as 100 calories from vegetables. The truth is profoundly different. The source of your calories significantly affects how your body processes them, how satisfied you feel, and the nutrients you receive. While a calorie is a unit of energy, the nutritional package it comes in makes all the difference. Consider the example of sugary drinks versus vegetables. Both can contain calories, but their nutritional value is vastly different. Sugary drinks offer little more than empty calories, leading to rapid blood sugar spikes and often leaving you feeling hungry soon after. In contrast, vegetables provide essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds. The fiber in vegetables promotes satiety, helping you feel full and satisfied for longer. This prevents overeating and supports stable blood sugar levels. Therefore, the effective strategy is to prioritize nutrient-dense foods over empty calories. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods that offer a wealth of nutrients for their caloric content. This approach supports overall health, energy levels, and sustainable weight management. Many commercial products and trendy diets promote the idea that external detoxification methods, such as special cleansers or detox teas, are necessary to rid your body of harmful toxins. This myth suggests our bodies are constantly accumulating dangerous substances that require artificial intervention to remove. The truth is that your body possesses incredibly efficient and sophisticated natural detoxification systems. You are equipped with powerful organs designed specifically to filter out and eliminate waste products and toxins on their own. These internal mechanisms work tirelessly every second of every day. The liver and kidneys are the primary organs responsible for this vital process. Your liver neutralizes toxins, converting them into harmless substances that can be excreted. Your kidneys filter waste products from your blood, which are then eliminated through urine. For most healthy individuals, these natural processes are more than sufficient. Detox products are generally unnecessary and can sometimes even be harmful, disrupting your body's natural balance. They are typically only required in specific medical conditions under strict professional guidance. To support your body's natural detoxification, focus on fundamental healthy habits. This includes maintaining a balanced diet, rich in whole foods, staying well hydrated with water, and ensuring you get adequate, restorative sleep. These practices optimize your body's inherent ability to cleanse itself. A widespread belief is that dietary supplements can serve as a complete substitute for a balanced and nutritious diet. This myth suggests that you can compensate for poor eating habits by simply taking a handful of pills or powders. It implies that supplements offer all the necessary nutrients without the need for whole foods. While supplements can be helpful in specific, targeted situations, they are not a replacement for real food. They can bridge nutritional gaps or address deficiencies identified by a healthcare professional. For instance, a vitamin D supplement might be beneficial for those with limited sun exposure. However, whole foods provide a complex array of nutrients, fiber, and beneficial compounds that supplements often cannot replicate. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins contain a synergistic blend of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. These components work together in ways that are not fully understood and cannot be isolated into a pill. Supplements often lack the comprehensive benefits of whole foods. They typically contain isolated nutrients, missing the fiber, water content, and thousands of other beneficial compounds found naturally in food. Relying solely on supplements can lead to an incomplete nutritional profile. Therefore, the first effective strategy is to prioritize a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. This foundational approach ensures you receive a broad spectrum of essential nutrients. It supports optimal health and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. The second effective strategy is to consider supplements only under the guidance of a healthcare professional. A doctor or registered dietitian can assess your individual needs, identify any deficiencies, and recommend appropriate supplements if necessary. Self-prescribing supplements without professional advice can be ineffective or even harmful. Many people view exercise primarily, or even solely, as a tool for weight reduction. This misconception often leads to a narrow focus on calorie burning and scale numbers, overlooking the vast array of other profound benefits that physical activity offers. It can make exercise feel like a chore rather than a pathway to overall well-being. However, exercise offers numerous advantages that extend far beyond simply shedding pounds. While it certainly contributes to weight management, its impact on your physical and mental health is much broader and more diverse. These benefits are crucial for a high quality of life, especially as we age. For example, regular physical activity is a powerful mood enhancer. It releases endorphins, which have natural mood-lifting effects, helping to reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. Exercise also significantly increases energy levels, combating fatigue, and improving daily vitality. Furthermore, weight-bearing exercises strengthen bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Exercise improves cardiovascular health, enhancing circulation and strengthening the heart muscle. It also boosts cognitive function, improving memory and focus. Beyond these immediate benefits, exercise plays a critical role in disease prevention. Regular physical activity significantly reduces the risk of developing chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, certain cancers, and stroke. It supports a robust immune system, helping your body fight off illness. The most effective strategy is to engage in activities you genuinely enjoy. This makes exercise a sustainable and regular part of your life, rather than a temporary fix for weight. Whether it's walking, dancing, gardening, or swimming, finding joy in movement ensures you reap all its incredible benefits. We've covered some of the most common health misconceptions today. We've debunked the myth of spot-reducing fat, clarified that not all calories are created equal, and explained why your body's natural detoxification systems are usually sufficient. We've also highlighted that supplements cannot replace a healthy diet, and that exercise offers far more than just weight loss. Understanding these truths is crucial for making informed decisions about your health. Always approach health information with a critical mind, questioning claims that seem too good to be true or overly simplistic. Your health journey is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. For personalized guidance and to address any specific health concerns, always consult with qualified healthcare professionals. They can provide evidence-based advice tailored to your individual needs and circumstances. Empower yourself with accurate knowledge and make choices that truly support your long-term well-being.